Hi, I'm Tisha. I'm in New York, USA, and we are going to talk about today how to make money on social media. There's 6 billion people on social media after 2020, after COVID. People discovered social media. And guess what? They are either saving money from social media because of social media or they are making money. And I am not talking about the social media influencer or marketers. I'm talking about regular Joe Brown, regular people all over are making money one time on the internet, monthly on the internet, or millions of dollars. And if they are not making money, they are saving money. I've been using social media for 20 years. Let me give you an example of how I save money because of social media. Doctor bill. My insurance didn't cover a certain doctor procedure in America. Had I done it in America, it would have cost me 50,000 US dollars. Social media is free. Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. What did I do? I found a doctor overseas in India. I was able to book everything on social media by finding doctor, finding hotels, finding airfare. Everything on social media was free. I found it and I saved 45,000 US dollar and I get to live. Social media is savings. All my clothes I buy, all my makeup, all my beauty care, my ring, everything, my house, everything I found because of social media. It saved me lots of money. Social media, I started a business on the internet 30 years ago because of Google. I had just a high school diploma. I'm 47 years old. As soon as I created my Facebook page, I got 5,000 friends. I know a lot of people now because of social media. I got 5,000 friends. And within probably a day or two of creating Facebook, I got a business for the law firm. Just like that. Didn't advertise nothing. All I did was create social media. Social media saved people money. It's saving people millions of dollars. People are switching from brick and mortar. I buy clothes because of social media on the internet. I bought a gown on social media overseas. If I had bought it in the United States, I'd have paid $8,000 for it. I saw it, a picture on social media. I got it overseas. I paid $200 for the gown. I've been using social media for years. I have changed my entire wardrobe because of social media. I have bought so much clothes. I'm saving 4,000 US dollars a year on clothes because of social media. I ran a business for 30 years because of social media. So I'm here to tell you, you can save money because of social media, or you can make money. There are people making millions of dollars. There are people making monthly income, and there are people making one-time fee. There are people who are saving millions of dollars. They're saving monthly money, or they're saving one-time fee. Marketing, social media marketing, that saved my business $3,000 a month. If you have a business and you're able to do it online or brand online, you could save $3,000 a month because of social media. All right. Yes, social media is costing people as well. People have been scammed from social media, and brands have lost billions because of it. Think about Target with the woke culture. The social media influencer made money, but Target lost money. So they're restructuring and looking at ways that so social media is good and it's bad. Okay, it has the good and the bad. I'm here just telling you that you could either save money because of social media, or you could make money. You do not need any degree. Okay, I started a business online 30 years ago. I didn't need a degree. All I needed was my eyes and a computer, and I was able to write up and made myself a web page. I did a one-page web page. It had the name of it had the service I provided, which at the time I was selling real estate, because you could be 18 years old and get a real estate license in the United States in most places. So I was selling real estate, but I didn't have a brick and mortar. I couldn't afford $1,000 a month for rent space. So I would literally use the internet, and people would call me because I put my phone number there. I told them the service, and they would call me and I would answer the phone and go to them. So I was making money because of online business. It's called digital asset today because it cash flow every month, and I have not looked back. I went viral on Twitter in 2019 with 1.6 million views. How much did it cost me? It cost me time. I sat down and I wrote content with search engine optimization. I didn't go to school to learn SEO. Okay, I never learned SEO. I never learned social media. I never learned social media marketing. I just know that it's something that can save me money. So I read about it. I went on YouTube. I watched as much as I could. I went on Google. I learned all I could. Do what you can to learn social media marketing, social media. Learn how you can make money from social media and how you can stay safe from the scams of social media. Here's one of the scams in social media that's wrong: short selling stocks. They're doing that on the internet. People making millions of dollars by lying that banks are going under, and people panic and take the money out. There are 4,800 banks in the United States. They're all not going under. I lived in Jamaica. Banks went under. They didn't all go under. And that was a third world country. So the banks in the United States are pretty safe. It's 4,800 of them. It's impossible for all of them to shut down. Impossible. Next, impossible. I lived in a third world country, and even though banks shut down, all of them didn't shut down. Banks are too big to fail. A lot of them can carry it. But social media created short selling. And what's going on? People are lying on banks and making profit short in the stocks. These things are wrong, but I'm just showing you how people are making millions. Soon the SEC has to step in and help. The banks contacted the SEC, but the SEC has done nothing. But social media, also social media not only used for making money, people use it to get information. People use it to spread information. People use it almost every brand in the world. You are a brand. You can start a business on social media, even without a degree. They said, according to Bloomberg in 2023, the internet is creating over 1,000 million years per year. Okay. Social media is where it's creating a lot of millionaires. Okay. So there's a lot of teenagers, there are a lot of 20-year-olds, they're already millionaires from using social media. I'm just trying to show you that it is simple to use. Social media marketing, SEO, do not be afraid of it. It is easy. Knowledge is power. Get the information. Subscribe to channels like this. I'm Tisha Paul. I've been using social media well over 20 years, online business well over 20 years. Everything that I bought, including my house, I got it from social media. Literally used the internet, Googled to find a house to live in because I couldn't drive around. So I used social media and I was able to find a house real fast because of social media. So I'm here to tell you, and all my clothes, it saved me so much time and money. You know, money is really a lot to do. And when you have social media, you can buy clothes anywhere and it's cheaper than the brick and mortar store. And I get to work remotely because of social media. So I save $330 a month in gas bill. I'm Tisha Paul. We'll be back another time. Take care.